Well, hello, Freedom Cruisaholics family. It's StaCe coming back at you.
What's up, y'all? It's Terry.
I found my husband on the side of the road, y'all. He was out there getting my wine because you know what? I got to have it.
Got to.
While I was out and about today, I got some wonderful, wonderful news I just want to share with you guys. Carnival is doing so many nice things. And like I said, on our last video, we talked about we just got back from our 14th cruise, and we are platinum, so we are happy about that. Yes. But let me tell you, on one of our other videos as well, we talked about the dining options. Carnival Cruise Line has rolled out dinner reservations for the anytime diners on the Carnival Hub. If you don't know what the Carnival Hub is, if you've cruised with Carnival before, there is an app called Carnival Hub that you can download before you get on the ship, to where you can find out all the happenings, the events. You can chat, you can get on your internet, check your email, different things like that. All the happenings are on this app. It is absolutely, absolutely wonderful. It makes your navigation through the ship much smoother for you to be able to enjoy things and not miss out on those happenings that are going on the ship. So this Carnival Hub, what is allowing you to do, if you are anytime diner, where you dine between the hours of 5:30 and 9:30, hold 1 second. 5:30 and 9:30 p.m. Your schedule in the anytime dining. What this app does, it allows you to be able to go on there and book a time in the main dining room, just as you would if you were doing early dining or the late dining. It allows you to go on this app. Let me see if I can show you what this app looks like. It is absolutely a wonderful app. And what it does, it allows you to be able, I have so many apps on my phone, it's crazy. But this is what the app looks like. I don't know if it's clear for you. It's not focusing yet. Let me see. Yes, that's what it looks like. Oh, there it is. That's what it looks like, where you can get on the ship, download that app before you get on the ship. You get on that app and you are allowed to book a dining time even when you're with the anytime dining. And what it allows you to do is, once that reservation is booked, you'll confirm that reservation, and then you go to the main dining room during that time and you just check in like you would if you were already booked for a reservation at a restaurant. There's no more waiting in line for the anytime dining. How great is that? That is awesome.
Great to me.
Anytime dining, and still be able to assign a time that you really want to go. If you're getting hungry and you want to see if that time is available, get on the app, book the reservation, and get in line for that time. No more waiting in those long lines, even if you have the anytime option dining, because what you did was use your Hub app to make that reservation. Exactly. Now, what do you think about that, baby?
Sounds great. I'm going to tell you right now, it's available on 7 different ships.
Yes.
So let me tell you those ships. So it is Carnival Horizon, Carnival Vista, Carnival Breeze, Carnival Magic, Carnival Dream, Carnival Sunshine, and Carnival Sunrise. So that's where it is right now.
As you can tell, if you are a Carnival Cruise Line person, those are some of the bigger ships, some of the newer ships. So, you know, just like with anything else, things evolve, they do things, engineering, things get better. So the bigger and better things are on those bigger ships. So please don't miss out on that. And within the next 2 months,
it will be available on the Carnival Splendor, Carnival Victory, and Carnival Conquest.
So that will be a total of 10 ships. 10 ships, guys. that you can use your Carnival Hub to book reservations when you have anytime dining. So you can still be able to eat whenever you want to and not have to wait in those lines because, honey, our feet be hurting because, you know, pretty does hurt. We have our heels on, honey. We be trying to do some things. But that is such a great perk that is going on right now with Carnival, and I'm so glad to see them evolving in different things. I'm glad to be a part of that. I'm glad that our family is a part of that. Carnival is doing so many nice things. The engineering, the events, the activities on the ship, the partnering with the Clean the World Association to help donate and help with third world countries. I'm telling you, Carnival is out there doing their thing. And I'm glad that we're being a part of everything that they're doing.
Yes, yes. So, you guys, we just wanted to bring this news to you guys. If this is your first time with us on this channel, please, if cruising is something that you're interested in, you'll always find good information in here. So, please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you part of our family.
Yes. And ask us any questions.
Yes.
We're not scared. Not sometimes. Sometimes. I'm scared when I'm singing. That's all. But after I have a couple of these, I don't know, I might think I'm Aretha Franklin or somebody like that.
On that note, stay tuned because we're going to have a video coming up soon with some clips of her singing. She does a great job. She just needs to get over there. Right. We're going to work on it. We're going to work on it.
But until we see you guys again, we'll either see you on the high seas or we'll see you on the Lido. And please make sure you have your drink in hand. Yes. Freedom Cruisaholic, and we are out of here.
See ya.